I'm here at Epic Universe with early entry and express pass. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Hey everyone, I'm Heather from Sunshine and Family Time, and today's a little different. I'm headed into Universal's brand new Epic Universe all by myself. That's right, I'm doing a solo adventure and can't wait to bring you along. Last night I stayed at the brand new Terra Luna Resort, one of Universal's newest hotel options. Not only was it super convenient, but staying there also gave me access to early park entry, 1 whole hour before the gates opened to everyone else. That's a huge perk if you're trying to beat the crowds and get on those popular rides early. To help make most of my day, I also splurged on Universal Express passes, which let me skip the regular lines on most attractions. Between the early entry and the express access, I'm hoping to hit all the major rides, explore the different lands, and maybe even squeeze in a few snacks along the way. But here's the big question. Are the extra costs actually worth it? Is early entry and express pass combo a game changer or just something nice to have? Join me today as I explore Epic Universe, test out the perks, and share my honest thoughts on whether it really makes a difference. Let's go have some fun. If you are interested in joining us for early parking mission on this.
Oh, look at these. Just the water's just flowing inside. Oh my gosh. All right. Going this way for early entry. Oh yes, heading to Nintendo World. Early entry, there's only 2 places open. So Celestial Park and Nintendo World.
Super Nintendo World is absolutely stunning. Honestly, I could spend the entire day here and not see it all. The theming, the energy, the details, it's like stepping right into the game. In this land, 3 main attractions are available, but only 2 of them currently accept Express Pass: Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge and Yoshi's Adventure. Unfortunately, Minecart Madness isn't included, so keep that in mind when planning your day. I decided to head straight for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge first. The express lane was super cool. It's packed with themed elements and fun details to look at while you wait, and honestly, the line moved quickly. Before I knew it, I was suited up and racing through Bowser's Castle. After that, I was on my way to Yoshi's Adventure, which also accepts Express. And that one was practically a walk on. It's such a cute and relaxing ride with great views of the land, and it's perfect for all ages. Honestly, the Express Pass really saved me a ton of time in this area. In Celestial Park, both the Constellation Carousel and Stardust Racers accept Express Pass, but I actually didn't need it for either one. Wait times were super short, even in the middle of the day. Stardust Racers ended up being one of my absolute favorite rides. I loved it so much, I rode it twice, back to back. I'm glad I held on to my Express though, because by the end of the day, the wait time jumped to 50 minutes. Thanks to Express, I got to ride it again, this time in the dark, which made it even more amazing. In Dark Universe, both rides accept Express Pass. Monsters Unchained, the Frankenstein experiment, was delayed or closed most of the day, so the second I saw it was finally open, I rushed over and jumped into the Express line. The queue alone is worth checking out, with creepy animatronics and electricity pulsing through the walls. With Express, I skipped straight to the pre-show. If you're a fan of the classic monsters, this ride is an absolute must-do. The Curse of the Werewolf had a 45-minute standby wait, but with Express, I was on in just a few minutes. The queue is outdoors, but once you're near the track, you can see the full moon glowing through the roof. It's such a cool touch. The ride hits 37 miles an hour, takes you through a spooky shed, and even has a surprise backwards section as you try to escape the werewolf. I'm definitely glad I had Express for both of these. Monsters Unchained totally blew me away. And while Curse of the Werewolf wasn't my personal favorite, I know my kids are going to love it.
We, my friends, have dragons.
Over in the Isle of Berk, 2 out of the 3 rides accept Express Pass, which is super helpful if you're trying to make the most of your day. One of those rides is Fire Drill, and let me tell you, this one is a blast. Literally. You'll join the chaotic and hilarious Viking twins, Roughnut and Toughnut, in a wild, competition to soak as many targets and people as possible. It's an interactive water battle where you're in control of the spray cannons, hitting fire-themed targets throughout the ride. The theming is top-notch, and if you're visiting on a hot day, this is a perfect way to cool off while having fun. Just be ready to get wet, because you will get wet. The second ride that takes Express is Hiccup's Wing Gliders, a smooth family coaster that really surprised me. It takes off gentle, but then picks up speed, hitting up to 45 miles per hour as you soar through the skies above Berk. The views are amazing. It truly feels like you're riding on the back of a dragon, weaving through cliffs and rooftops. It's got that great mix of thrills and storytelling that makes it fun for both kids and adults. The seats tilt a little to give you that flying sensation, and the wind in your face adds to the whole experience. And you even see some baby dragons along the way. If you're a fan of How to Train Your Dragon, this whole area is going to be a dream come true. The theming is so immersive, and the rides fit right into that Viking village vibe. Express Pass made it super easy to hop right on without long waits, and that meant more time to explore everything else Berk has to offer, from meet and greets to delicious themed snacks. There are 3 rides at Epic Universe that do not accept Express Pass, and there are definitely ones to keep an eye on if you want to experience them. First up is Dragon Racers Rally in the Isle of Berk. This ride lets you control the wings as you glide and twist through the sky, and it's actually a great way to cool off in the Florida heat. I even saw someone completely flip upside down. I tried to do the same, but no luck this time. You better believe me, I will be trying again on my next visit. Next is Minecart Madness in Donkey Kong Country. This family-friendly coaster gives you the wild sensation of jumping the tracks as you chase down golden bananas. It's super fun and the theming is fantastic. I highly recommend riding this if you see a low wait time. It's worth it. And finally, Harry Potter and the Battle of the Ministry of Magic also does not take Express. Unfortunately, I was not able to snag a virtual queue during my visit, so I don't have any footage of the ride or the queue, not just yet, but it's all the top of my list for my next visit. If you're planning your day at Epic Universe, keep these rides in mind. They're popular, they don't take Express, and timing your visit just right can make a big difference. I grabbed a few snacks and drinks throughout the day in each section of the park, and I'll be making a full video showcasing everything I tried with prices and what's worth it. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Would I recommend Epic Universe with Express Pass? If you're going just for one day, absolutely. It helped me do so much more in less time, especially since I was solo. But if you got a large family, honestly, I'd skip it. Those prices add up fast. A few quick tips to make the most of your visit: arrive early, start in Super Nintendo World, watch the app for wait times and rides opening after delays, just like Monsters Unchained, and definitely use mobile ordering for food. It'll save your time and stress. Want to see my full in-depth experience at Epic Universe? Head over to my channel for the complete walkthrough, and stay tuned for even more videos all about Epic Universe, including Epic Universe Food Tour, as I'm trying a few snacks and drinks in every section of the park. Coming soon! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. And now, it's your family time. Bye!